Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can do the tutorial stage in training ground of Dragonheir Silent Gods. So I made this video is for beginner that new into this game, and how you can go to the simulation, and also you can get the rewards from the tutorial stage challenge. So let's get started by go to the camp, and then as you can see, this is my camp. You can see a lot of feature here, like a cooking pot and more forging bench, and you have to tap this one. This is the dummy. Tap this is the dummy and go to or tap this tutorial feature, and this one. There are about 1, 2, 3, 4 stage that you can challenge. For example, I already complete the first stage, like position development. Here you can tap the trial to begin, and you can also get like a small amount of reward. And also I'm still this elemental attribute still locked, so you have to play more the game to unlock this stage. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, also click the button below. Enjoy the game.